Using 3 Roma tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, habaneros. So it's that time, folks. Oh, it's a damn good salsa. You're gonna love it. Hey friends, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. And if you're new here and you love salsa, please consider to subscribe and hit that like button. And today's recipe, we are going to make a delicious fire roasted habanero salsa. And let me get into those ingredients right now. Like you can see, our ingredients are real simple. We're using 3 Roma tomatoes, a half of medium-sized red onion, some cilantro, 2 habaneros, a garlic clove, salt to taste. We are going to caramelize our red onions. And then while our onions are being caramelized and sauteed, we are going to put on another skillet and roast our tomatoes and our 2 habaneros. Don't forget the garlic. I swear I forget this every time. Just leave it right in the husk. And just an FYI too, please be careful when handling with your habaneros. They are super spicy. And if you are handling them without gloves, please wash your hands after each time you touch them, because if you forget and you rub your eyes, you're gonna have a really painful experience. I've been through it, and I'm sure others have too. Next, we're just going to saute the cilantro with the onions as well. The aroma from the red onions and cilantro all sauteed together, it smells so good. Yeah, you can see we're really getting that roasted look right now on our habaneros. Ooh, those are looking good. The garlic and our Roma tomatoes. Yes, these are looking perfect. I just flipped them too, so I'll probably let these sit for another 5 or 10 minutes or so, then we'll go from there. These veggies are ready to be taken off the skillet and ready to be put into the blender. Salt to taste, and just a touch of lime or lemon. So it's that time, folks. It is chip tasting time. I haven't had a good fire roasted habanero salsa in a long time. It's a good thickness. That water helped dilute it a little bit. It's like that kind of loosened it up. It was a little too thick earlier, but yeah, it looks good. Here we go. Let's do it. Oh, so good. Just a really overall great flavor. So you know, if I'm going in for another chip, it's a damn good salsa. Let me hear it, folks. It's a damn good salsa. So good, here we go. You're gonna love it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hopefully maybe you followed along with us today. Again, this was an amazing fire roasted habanero salsa. And if you love salsa, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. We post a new video every Thursday, so we'll see you next week, guys. Until then, have a great week. See ya.